Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial we'll be making a fun, super simple 3-tier wreath piped cake. You'll need an 8-inch, 6-inch and 4-inch cake. I've already stacked and crumb coated mine. On goes the final layer of frosting. This is buttercream that I've used here, and I will leave a recipe for that in the eye icon up top. Smooth out your frosting, bring the lip to the middle and then refrigerate for 20 minutes. And in that meantime, you can work on the 4-inch and your 6-inch, following the exact same steps. With these two, however, you do want to place them in your freezer if you can for about 10 minutes or in the fridge overnight. Add bubble tea straws cut flush with the top of the cake in your 8-inch base tier and your 6-inch middle tier. You could also use wooden dowels here instead, or paper straws, totally up to you. Because they're not very tall cakes, they're not going to be super heavy. But they still do require the dowels, of course. Stick your tiers together with a little bit of buttercream. And then I didn't really like that you could see the little cake pours underneath each tier, so what I did was I took a piping bag with some more of that frosting the same color, piped it at the base, and then I just kind of smoothed it out with a frosting smoother or a frosting scraper. It should look a little something like that, nice and seamless. Then I've taken a tiny round piping tip. This is a number 4. Filled a piping bag with some brown buttercream. I just tinted it brown with some gel food color. Create an arc at the top and at the base, and then sort of meet it up in the middle. I went over it about 3 times just to make like a wooden wreath sort of effect, and it's very forgiving. Don't think that you have to have like super straight lines. You totally don't. This is like woven wood in a way. From there, take a number 352 piping tip with some green buttercream and create little leaves in one direction and then also on the inside, so the opposite direction as well. This was quite the challenge, making sure that my hand wasn't in front of the camera the whole time. So it's a lot easier than it looks, I promise. If I can do it this way, you can totally do it. Continue all the way around and then add on any edible decorations. So I've got some edible gold druggies, just kind of pressing them in there. Some edible, these are chocolate balls coated in purple candy. I've taken a number 16 piping tip and some red buttercream, just creating a little cluster of stars to kind of make it look like little poinsettia flowers, but like the teeny tiny variety. On goes a little message right in the middle. You could pipe on a message or use some wafer paper that's been printed. I've gone ahead and used a cake badge in gold mirror acrylic. Hope you guys enjoyed this one and give it a go. Hashtag Rosie's Dessert Spot if you like to share your creation. I would love to see it. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed these videos, feel free to subscribe. We do upload new tutorials every week. Thanks again for watching. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you soon.